what's going on, guys? So it's Friday. So I was supposed to do a vlog tomorrow. Well, I was going to vlog tomorrow, but tomorrow's gonna be raining, and yeah. So I was supposed to be working on the car tomorrow, but since it's gonna be raining, and we don't have access yet to my dad's garage. I mean, my dad's job yet because he hasn't started working yet. So I'm just gonna try to do the best as I could as doing like a point of view around Brooklyn, around like all the spots I go to. Right now I'm actually working. I don't have that much today because today's Friday. I don't really work that long today. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy because obviously I'm in local streets and there's nothing but cops around here where I work at. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm gonna just drive around. I also gotta fix my throttle body cable because it's staying stuck again. I have no idea why. It's a brand new throttle cable, and sometimes when it wants to, it just stays stuck. And I don't even know why. It's a brand new cable. Maybe I need to adjust it again. Maybe it got tight again. But I need to do that, and I also need to fix my distributor timing. I just eyeballed it and I put it on. I didn't really like pay attention to it. I thought it was gonna be fine, but it's not. So I gotta go back into my Honda and then just wiggle the distributor outside, and then from there just see exactly when it falls on. I think it's like 16 degrees right now. It's like on 24 degrees, something like that. I didn't really notice, so I have to fix that. And I think the perfect place to put it, I think is at 16. I'm not too sure, but I definitely need to do that this week if it doesn't really rain crazy. Alright, so you guys didn't even see that. My car barely wanted to start. I kept cranking and cranking and cranking and did not want to start. That was super, super weird. Hopefully I don't start having an issue again. This car has been giving me little issues. And I have no idea why the car's been giving me like little issues. I mean, I can't complain. The car hasn't gave me issues in like over like 2 years. The car hasn't like really given me any issues, but I was just cranking and the car did not want to start. I tried to push a little bit to push start it. I mean, I didn't get enough speed for it to start, but then I turned it over and it started up. I had to like give a little bit of gas, but then it started up. I have no idea why my car is giving me these issues right now. Gotta wake her up a little bit like that. Just spinning in second gear. I've always wanted to take a picture in front of the Honda dealership with my Civic, but I never pass by here with my Honda. So if I find a parking, if I could like double park real quick in front of the Honda sign and take a picture, I'm definitely gonna take it. And if I did take it, I'll show you guys right here. My throttle cable is just staying stuck. Sucks so much. Dude, you gotta be fucking shitting me. My car is doing it again and I have no idea what the fuck it is. Look at this. Dude. Like, what the Dude, what's going on? I have, like... What the fuck? I put it ground. Why is the car doing this now again? And it literally just now, like I wasn't recording, but it just turned on. I'm gonna just check my grounds. See if it's maybe one of my grounds again. I don't understand. Maybe it's getting corroded. Let me check. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know what else it can be. I mean, we put the grounds in there. I looked at the grounds look fine. I have no idea. The car literally was running perfectly fine. And it just now started doing this again. And I don't understand. I just cranked and it just turned over again. But I have no idea what else it can be. Like I literally gave up. I mean, I have a brand new distributor. It can't be the fucking... I don't think it could be the spark plugs. I honestly don't know what else it is, but I'm gonna have to, I guess, figure it out. But this car has been giving me like the smallest issues, and it's just so annoying. Well, I guess it's part of the Honda life. So the car's literally just starting up perfectly fine now. It definitely has to be a ground. We added ground to it, but I have the hood risers on, and like I told you guys, my ground is not on top of the strut tower. Like let's say this strut, it's not here. My ground is here. So with the hood risers and it rains, the water comes in and it just drips down. I mean, the ground looked fine. I tried to move it. I didn't really loosen it, but I tried to move it, and then the car ended up just starting. So it has to be a ground. Right, I got a tent. I didn't get to tell you guys. I have a tent that I bought. It already came in, but the owner of the landlord wanted to leave his car in the backyard. So I said, yeah, cool, fine. So when he leaves, I'm gonna be able to put up my tent. Then hopefully I won't have this issue anymore. But for the meantime, maybe I'm just gonna change out my my negative the negative terminal, the wire that goes to the chassis. My dad has some brand new ones over there at his job, so he's gonna pick some up for me and just change them out. And I don't know, I'm gonna try to just make sure this car has the best ground it possibly could, but I'm pretty sure just because it's been raining and my car has no car cover, I have the hood risers, and the water is just going inside. I never had this issue, but it's the first time for everything.
Yeah, now her attitude like a candle. She lit that bag, make you wanna up your standard.
Look, the auto cable literally just staying stuck right now. When I give it gas, then it stops. There's always the little annoying things. I hate it. Man, I love the way this thing sounds. Jesus. I know you guys heard that backfire. I just did a delivery and these little kids These little like Jewish kids are literally like in love with my car. Let's see if I can get like a reaction out of them. Let's see if I could catch them around the car. I don't think you guys have ever been able to see the purple like this. I barely take it out. But when there's sun, you guys look at how that purple looks. Insane. Alright, so I just finished work. Right now I'm just gonna head home. I might get something to eat, I'm not too sure yet, but I'm gonna head home, pick up my daughter, and then I'm gonna meet my girlfriend because she's gonna be getting a tattoo today. And then probably just do another vlog maybe tomorrow or something. Lately work has been really stressful, really busy. So I haven't really been able to get a lot done, but I still need to do the clutch and a couple other stuff done to this car. But something that I do want to touch up on is the views lately have been lower than usual. I know a lot of other people that I've seen, their views are lower than usual as also. And we all think it might be because YouTube, every time YouTube does like an update or changes something, usually affects like a lot of people with like smaller channels. So I know if it's affecting me because I'm a smaller channel, I'm not too sure, but my videos are not getting that many views anymore as it used to before, and like the subscriber count has like slowed down like a lot. But I've noticed the same in other channels, and I've spoken to other people also, and they've said the same thing. So I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's maybe me or something else, but if you guys want to see, you know, anything else or any like specific videos, I'm always down to take ideas and try to do them. If you guys think like the videos are being repetitive or something, just let me know down below in the comments, and I'll try my best, you know, to switch things up if that's the case, which I don't really think it is because I haven't really been like repeating the same thing. So just let me know down below, guys. Never mind, I was reading it wrong. My ignition is like 1516, so it might be exactly where it needs to be. I don't know if you guys can see. It's showing like 15, 16, 17. I'm guessing this is what it is. I mean, I'm looking here at ignition timing, at ignition advance. That's the only thing that I see with ignition, you know. So it should be that. I mean, but it looks pretty fine. So I don't know, it might be off a little bit. But I know also too, this car doesn't have a thermostat, so when it runs colder, the car doesn't run the same when it's hot. The AFRs are normal, like at cruising. I mean, at idling. So yeah, it could be maybe because the car is not like fully hot. The car is I'll tell you guys right now, it's probably like at 160 something right now. The car's temperature right now is at 157. So it's literally cold. It's getting colder. So the AFRs are gonna be different from when a car is obviously in like normal operating temperature. I'm gonna put a thermostat back in this, but when it gets a little bit more colder, it hasn't really been cold. I don't like my car to get hot because of the turbo and stuff. But I'll throw a thermostat in when it gets cold. The auto body staying stuck, it sucks so much. I suck. I have to literally leave this camera off because I get stopped by the funniest people asking me questions about my car. Some guys just asked me what year this was, how many horsepower, and if it came turbo. It's crazy. It's like a Bentley. It's a Bentley with like leather. I don't even know what that is. That shit looks expensive though. It's like leopard leather or something. I don't have no idea. Just got some McDonald's for me and my little girl. Just gonna head home right now, and I guess close out the video when I get home. Well, guys, just got home. Might be doing a vlog tomorrow, like I told you guys. I'm not sure because it says it's gonna be raining tomorrow. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I know a lot of people be asking me questions and stuff. You can ask me questions on my Instagram and get a lot of sneak peeks on my Instagram. So follow me at Stephen Ocasio on Instagram, guys. That's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload, guys. And until next time, guys, build to enjoy. Peace.